ladies and gentlemen. My name is Candra Samekto. I previously worked for National Development Planning Agency in Indonesia, and I was quite lucky because I was assigned to manage one of the restoration river health program in Citarum River Basin. And at the time when I was assigned, what I asked is I have to have a good communication team. So I will share with you our experience, why we acknowledge about the importance of communication to promote collaboration and also help to approach the tipping point in river health restoration program. And now I'm studying PhD in the University of Queensland about the water governance, basically based on my experience. Okay, I will talk very brief because my concentration about the communication strategy. So I will talk very brief about what's Citarum and then also what's the problems in it, and also try to introduce the program of river health restoration. And then I will more take time to explain about communication strategy and share with you our lesson learned. This is how we are in part of Indonesia. So we are in Southeast Asia, and Citarum lies in West Java province, and flow from the Bandung area to the near Jakarta. So there's some data about Citarum River Basin. The length is about 270 kilometers, and river basin area covered to 12,000 kilometers, and it covers 9 districts and 3 cities. And this why this river basin considered very important, because it supplies almost 80% of the Jakarta raw water, and also irrigates 420,000 hectares paddy field, and also it provides many power electricity. I will just describe very briefly about the problems. So we have a solid waste from domestic, and also a chronic waste from the cattle, which is in the upstreams, and it's tons of waste just dumped to the rivers by the farmers. And we have a fisheries and hyacinths, and you can see here even from the Google Earth, we can see many hyacinths in the dams, and it causes trouble of sedimentation and hyacinths. And this is what happened in the upper catchment. So because of many bad agriculture activities, so mostly they grow potatoes, which are not considered but conservation of the land, and also cause the sedimentation and the downstream. This already can be predicted flood during rainy seasons, and also drought in the dry season. And we also have aging infrastructures and operation and maintenance issues. Of course, clean water access and sanitation still become a problem. And coastal degradation, about abrasion, biodiversity degradation. So basically, whole bunch of problems there. And what we did is that how to initiate a program to restore the river, because we consider it's very important. And we tried to develop a roadmap. Basically, it's the series of strategic plan. It's helped us to understand where should we go as the goals, and where are we now, and then given direction, guidance, how to achieve the goals where we are, from where we are now to the where we want to be. So basically, it's try to identify all the problems. It's just samples. We take one of the branches, and then we try to understand what's the cause and what the symptom of the problems. So actually it took 3 years preparation. So at least to identify, it's already take 3 years, and to understand what's really the roots of the problems. And then we try to cluster it and come up with 80 identified interventions, and it requires, at that time in 2007, we approximately need 3.5 billion US dollar in 15 years. So basically, it's the we call it a Citarum roadmap. And we try to develop the strategic framework to make it more easy to understand. But the vision is the government and community working together for clean, healthy, and productive catchment and rivers, bringing sustainable benefits to all people of the Citarum River Basin. So basically, we underline the working together between government and community. And also we have 5 pillars and develop based on the foundation, community empowerment, and data and information. So we already have the plan. Very fantastic, sophisticated. But how do we do it? I'm an engineer. I know every problem could be like an engineer solutions. But when it comes to the field, it's really hard. They have challenges. First, less concern of stakeholders at all levels. We saw communities doesn't care about the rivers, business industry just dump the waste to the rivers, and the local government even doesn't realize there is a problem in their backyard. And also central government, some don't really care about this because it's not part of their, they don't see it every day. It's just really important because supply the capital city of the Jakarta. And we have also lack of public trust to government. When we start to introduce as the government program, usually there is assistance from the local communities because they have a lack of public trust. Also conflict of interest, of course, from communities, private, also local government. Because local government wants to boost the economic development. At the same time, they have to protect the industry, which is also dam the waste to the rivers. And we have also a sectoral ego between ministries and competition because they want to be like the heroes of the development, and of course lack of coordination. So we come up with the communication strategy. How we deliver this program, we already have a very good plan, but how really the strategy to deliver it? The objective is to enhance flow of information, consultation, and awareness. So we underline the word of government and community working together in partnerships. How we answer all those questions? How about the program? How about involvement? What are the program components? Why do we have to care about that? And how can we contribute? So many questions from the communities and all stakeholders.